Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a rocking dish that all the egg lovers will absolutely love and enjoy. We're going to make this Japanese style fried bread stuffed with egg salad. Sounds delicious, right? Let's dive into the recipe and check it out. First we're going to make the spicy mayo for this recipe. To a bowl, I'm adding 200 grams of mayonnaise. So you can use the egg or eggless mayonnaise, whatever is available for you. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, or you can use red chili sauce. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. So mix everything well till it's all well combined. You can taste it, and if you do need to add a little more hot sauce or chili powder, you can adjust it accordingly. Look at that beautiful spicy mayo. It's really simple to make it. Keep the mayo aside. For this recipe I've taken 6 boiled eggs. Just chop the egg roughly into small pieces. If you'd like it a little more smaller, you can chop them a little more smaller. If you'd like that nice chunky bites, you can chop it like this. So chop all the eggs in this manner. Now let's make the egg mayo filling. Transfer the chopped eggs into a bowl. To this I'm adding 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Add the spicy mayo and mix everything well. Make sure it's all well combined. Look at that chunky egg pieces. I've made several recipes with eggs. I'll give you the playlist in the description. You can check it out. And we have a huge selection of sandwiches as well. Those of you who love sandwiches can check out that nice big sandwich playlist. So look at that. The mayo has coated all those chunky egg pieces. So finally, I'm just going to add a few spring onion greens. Now the greens are entirely optional. If you don't have it or if you don't want to add them, you can skip them. They'll give you that nice mild crunch. The filling is done. Keep this aside. So I am using bakery bread. So I've bought a loaf of bread and I've cut into 1-inch thickness. For this recipe, it's better if the bread slice is nice and thick. Heat some oil in a pan. And once the oil is nice and hot, gently place the bread slice onto the pan. Fry the bread on both sides till you get this lovely golden brown color. Maintain the flame on medium-low. Don't overheat the oil because it can quickly burn the bread. Once you fry the bread, place it on a plate and let it cool completely. So you can see the bread is nice and crispy on the outside. To make the bread pockets, I'm just going to cut the bread on one side. Using the scissors is convenient for me to cut the bread, but you can also use a knife. Whatever suits you, you can use that. So now using a small knife, I'm just going to make a cut or a slit in the center to separate the layers. Do this gently. You don't want to rip the slice apart. Look at this pocket. It's a nice deep pocket. It's perfect for the stuffing. Now that we've made the pocket, place a few spoonfuls of the egg salad into the bread pocket. That looks amazing. Finally, I'm just garnishing it with a few chopped spring onion greens. You can also use chives if you have those. So there you go. This gorgeous egg salad sandwich is ready to be enjoyed. The egg salad sandwich looks amazing. Who will you share this sandwich with, or will you eat it all by yourself? Let me know in the comment section. This is a perfect meal by itself. You can have it for lunch or you can have it for a nice evening snack. It's a nice way to enjoy the egg salad. Kids will absolutely love this. Well, I'm literally drooling out here. I can't wait to take a bite of this. There you go. Wow. There's one word for this, wow. Okay, I'm being a little clumsy now because obviously I'm stuffing this whole thing into my mouth. Let me tell you, it's just incredible. The egg, the flavors and this crunchy onions, and of course the crispy bread. You can hear the crunchy bread sound. And of course that spring onion greens, that subtle flavor. amazing. So you can see how simple and easy it was to make that sandwich. Make sure to follow all the steps and tips that I have shown you to get it perfectly. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.